Good morning, class 10th. Now we start question number 4th. Fourth question is the two opposite vertices of a square are given. Find the coordinates of the other two vertices. So I will draw the diagram of fourth question. Where ABCD is a square given. The two opposite vertices are given. Suppose this one is -1, 2 and other opposite one will be like 3, 2. This one I will take x, y and this one I will take a, b. Okay. First I will take find out the AB side. So what is AB? X minus, it will be plus by distance formula, and y minus 2 square. Similarly find BC also. X minus 3 square plus y minus 2 square. And in the square, I think we all know the side of the square will be equal. We can make AB is equals to BC. So here x plus 1 square plus y minus 2 square will be equals to x minus 3 square plus y minus 2 square. It will be cancelled. So it is x square plus 1 plus 2x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y, and here also x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y. Now see, x square will be cancelled, then y square, then 4 minus 4y, this complete will be cancelled. Okay. So now 1 plus 2x, 1 plus 2x is equals to 9 minus 6x. Now it will be shift there, 9 minus 1, 8, and 2x plus 6x will be 8x is equals to 8. So the value of x is what? 1. Now I have to find the b also, y also. So here only two sides are there, nothing is there other than this. So what can I do? I will find first AC also. We can find AC also here because both the points I have. So I will find here AC. AC will be what? That 3 plus 1, 4 square plus 2 minus 2, 0. So it will be square of 4, 16 plus 0, and it will be 4 only. And in the square, I think you all know here 90 degrees there. So here I can apply the Pythagoras theorem also. That is AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So AC value is what? 4. And what is the value of AB? Square is there, square and root will be cancelled. So left will be x plus 1 plus y minus 2 plus x minus 3 plus y minus 2. Now 4 square is 16 equals to, now put the value of x will be 1. Here we have to put the value of x value will be 1. Wait, I will shift the board here. Now put the value of x 1. Here 1 plus 1, the square of 2 is what? 4. 1 value, here y minus 2 only. 1. 1 minus 3. Minus 2 square is 4. Plus y minus 2 square. And 16 is equals to 4 plus, open it, y square plus 4 minus 4y plus 4 plus y square plus 4 minus 4y. Now listen carefully. 16 is equals to, now calculate 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. Y square plus y square, 2y square, minus 4y minus 8y. It will be cancelled. So what will left here? 2y square minus 8y equals to 0. If I take 2 will be common and send it down, then y square minus 4y is equals to 0. Again I will take y will be common, then y minus 4 equals to 0. Then the value of y is what? 0 and 4. Two values are possible, y will be 0 or y will be 4. So the coordinates are 1 comma 0 or 1 comma 4. Here you can write it may be 1 comma 0 or maybe 1 comma 4. Now I rough this one completely, note it down. If this will be 1 comma 0 or 1 comma 4, it will depend. Now I have to find a comma b also. Now I will make the diagonal, and this we all know it will be intersect at the midpoint. So I will take p and q. First find this p and q. So p will be what? x1 plus x2 means 3 minus 1 2, 3 minus 1 upon 2, it will be 2 upon 2 1, and q will be y1 plus y2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 upon 2 2. So it will be 1 comma 2, p comma q, or we can write 1 comma 2. Now we get this also. Now I can find a comma b, that a plus x divided by 2 is equals to p. A value we have to find, x value is 1 upon 2, p value is also I find it 1, 2, then the value of a is 1, and b also we have to find that b plus y upon 2 is equals to q. So b plus y value is what? 0 upon 2 is equals to q is 2, 2 2s are 4, then the b value is 4, means 1 comma 4 this also. A comma b is what? 1 comma 4. So the finally points are 1 comma 0 or 1 comma 4. So these are the coordinates of the question number 4, the remaining coordinates of the square. Now we move to the next one. Question number 4th we finished, 5th no need to do, 6th no need to do, 7th we already discussed, you have to do by your homework. And now 8th one. 8th one is what? ABC is a rectangle formed by the points A, B, C and D. These are the corner points. P, Q, R and S are the midpoints of side A, B, B, C, C, D and D respectively. Is the quadrilateral PQRS is a square, rectangle or a rhombus? That we have to tell. This question is your homework question. So just I will explain here. You have to do by your own. He said that a rectangle is there, ABCD, coordinates of ABCD are given, and these are the PQRS. PQRS you have to find by your own, by midpoint. AB and given, this will be the midpoint, you can find this also, we can find all these points. Now all these points you have PQRS. Now check it, this is a square, rhombus and all the things. So just find PS, then PQ, then QR, then RS. Find it all. If you find all will come will be equal. All the answers should come will be equal. I know the answer, that's why. It will come equal. Then find the diagonals also. If the diagonal come equal, then it is a square. And if the diagonal will not come equal, then it will be the rhombus. So check this one question. This will be the last question and homework question. After this your chapter is complete. Thank you all of you.